Well, hello everyone, this is Kmart Security. I'm going to give you basic 101 on firearms. Okay, well today's lesson we're going to talk about the different firearms and the different kinds of ammo each firearm uses. Okay, first we're going to start off with the 22s. Okay, 22 ammo are these little white boxes here. It's got Winchester Wildcat 22 written on it. Okay. Now this ammo is used for this little Ruger 22 pistol and this 22 rifle. Okay. Next item is the M16A4 assault rifle. This uses 5.56 ammunition, and the ammo is pretty standard. The basic AR clip there uses 5.56 again. Okay, shotguns. Shotguns, there's 4 different kinds of shotguns. There's this Remy, which holds 9 ammo. Then you got this automatic one. It's got 6-shot auto. You got a 6-shot pump. Then you got this little 2-shot. Looks like 2-shot shotgun. And you gotta reload. And like the AR, it's these little green boxes here, 12 gauge. And these green boxes, of 12 gauge ammo will work for any shotgun. Okay, next item we have here is a 45 ACP. It's this little wolf black boxes here. And the guns that use 45 ACP is the Mac 10 SMG and the Colt 1911 handgun. Okay, next item here is the 9 mils. These orange American Eagle boxes here is 9mm ammunition. The 9mm will fit in the Beretta here. Then we got the Glock. Then we got the MP5 automatic SMG. Okay, next item here we got the Magnum ammo. It's these little gold black cases here. It says 357 right on it. And this fits the 357 Magnum here and the Winchester bolt action. Well, I take that back. Lever action rifle. Okay, next order of business is we got the sniper rifles. All sniper rifles use 308 ammo. Is these blue boxes with the black Federal tag on it. And it uses the new one. I think it's a JAE, and then there's this other old-fashioned sniper rifle. Okay, next order of business is we got the bow here, and you can't miss it. Hunting bolts that's the ammo that it uses. Okay, next item is the 7.62 ammo. It's looks like a package of ammo here. And the 7.62 will fit in the AK-47 and the SKS. And last but not least is the flare gun here. Okay, flare gun's orange, and it's these little red ruby Remington boxes. Only reason you'd use a flare gun is, well, if you want to piss off zombies, you can shoot it at them, but then it will create runners, and most people do not like runners. Most have trouble killing them. And it's also used to call in supply drops for survival maps, but you can only use the flare guns on most maps where the supply drops drop. But there's a couple of exceptions. Some maps you can just shoot it up in the air and it'll drop where you shot it up. For example, favela, there's really no area. You just shoot it up in the sky as long as the supply drop box is empty, you can keep calling in more, but then you'd have to empty the one you just called in, and then yeah, you gotta empty the one you just called in before you can call in another, or you'll just be wasting flares. Okay, and this chainsaw here, nice big bright and yellow, and you'll see these little red fuel tanks. That's the chainsaw ammunition. And that pretty much concludes my Weapons 101 tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.